Hey everyone, want to customize your Kali Linux experience and ditch the default username? In this video, I'll show you how to change the username in Kali Linux easily and quickly using the terminal. Let's get started. To display information about the current user logged into a system, use whoami command. To check the present working directory, use pwd command. To switch from the current user to root user, use sudo su. We need to change the password of the root user by typing the command passwd. Enter new password of the root user. After updating the password of the root user, log out and log back in so that you can be able to use the root privileges. We have a user named Amos here. We want to change the username to Jonathan and update his home directory path at the same time. The command we'll use is usermod, but we need to use the specific flags to ensure everything goes smoothly. The command is usermod flag L Jonathan flag D / the home directory of Jonathan flag M Amos. The system responded by saying user Amos is currently used by the process 1032. To terminate this process, use the command kill flag 9, then the process which is 1032. The command kill flag 9 1032 is used to immediately and forcefully terminate a specific running process. After that, we need to terminate the username Amos by using the command pkill flag u Amos, which is the username. Then rerun this command to change the username from Amos to Jonathan. To rename the existing group from Amos to Jonathan, we use this command group, then flag n Jonathan, then the username Amos. Then log out and try to log in as Amos to confirm if the user still exists. As you can see, we are unable to log in for this username. So let's try for Jonathan. For Jonathan, we are able to log in. So let's check whoami so that we can see if we are logged in as Jonathan. And that wraps up the deep dive into managing users and processes from the Linux command line. And thanks for watching and happy administering.